Sudoku for Friday, May 5th. So what I'll do is I'll restart now. Every row, every column, and every one of these 3x3 boxes must contain the digits 1 through 9 once each. Now, typically, all I have to do is scan here because this one has 5 digits in it. This box 6 has 5 digits in it. Row 3 has 3 digits in it, etc. But let's look at the number 1. I have a 1 in box 1, a 1 in box 3. I need a 1 in box 2. It can't be in the middle. It can't obviously be at the bottom. It must be in the top. And it can't go here because of this one. So that's a right in 1. I've got 3 2s. I have 2 3s. I need a 3 in the middle of box 2, but not there or there. It goes here. Whoops. Okay. Well, a 3 can't go here. Oh, a 3 couldn't have gone in the middle anyway. 3 has to go in the top. That's the only place for it. I've got enough 6s. Okay. Let's see. Row 1 is only missing 2 digits left. That being 4 and 8. This 8 tells us the order. Box 3 is now only missing 2 digits. 7 and 9. Neither of which can be placed yet. But I've got 2 4s in my top 3 rows. The bottom in box 2, the top in box 3. It must be in the middle in box 1. There's only one place left. See, do I have 2 of anything else? Okay, these 3 are down to 3 digits left in box 1. 5, 8, and 9. These are a 5, 8, 9 set, but this can't be either 5 or 9, it must be 8. That means these 2 are a 5, 9 set, and we already have a 9 and 5 that tell us the order. Okay. This box is now missing only 3 digits left, to wit, 5, 7, and 8. This can't be 5, so it must be 7 or 8. This can't be 8. It must be 5 or 7. This can't be 7, so it must be 5 or 8. And annoyingly, that's all I can do there. Okay, this column is now only missing 3 digits left. I need a 2, a 7, and a 9. This can be any of them. This can't be 2, and neither can that. Okay, so these 3 are 2, 7, and 9, but neither of these can be a 2, so this is a 7, 9. That tells us the 2 must go here. Okay, now these 3 are 6, 7, and 9, but this can't be 9, so this is 6 or 7. Same with this. Since these are a 6, 7 pair, that tells us this must be 9, and that sorts out box 3. But annoyingly, I don't think, it doesn't help with any of these 3 yet. But there's a 7 here, and that places this 6, 7. Okay, what's left? That's missing 6 digits, that's missing 5 digits. Yeah, this is still 5, 7, and 8, but I can't eliminate any of the other digits except 1. Okay, let's see. Let's start looking at columns. This column 1 down here, I'm missing what looks like 2 and 4, neither of which are resolved. Okay, but that's a 2-4 pair, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are here. That means these 3 are now 6, 7, 8. This can't be 6 or 8, so this must be 7, right? These 3 are 6, 7, and 8, but this one can't be 6 or 8. It must be 7. This one, these two now are down to 6 and 8, but this one can't be 8, so that must be 6. That must be 8. Let's see. These two are now a 2-4 pair, but because of this 4, I know that's 2, which makes that 4, that 2. Annoyingly, these 3 still aren't resolved yet. Okay. These 5 cells here are 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Well, this one can't be 4, 5, or 9, so this is 6 or 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, but 4, 5 are the only ones eliminated. 4, 5, ooh, 6, 7, all right, this is 9. Because 4 and 5 are in the row, 6 and 7 are in the column. Okay, that means this isn't 9. So these two are 6, 7. That means these are 4, 5. And since this is 4, I know that that's 5, and I can actually write that in. That's 4. Now, this 5 tells me that's 7. This could only have been 7 or 8, which means that's 8. That's 5. See, this 6, 7 isn't quite resolved yet. Oh, yes, it is. This 7 tells me that order. Okay, now I'm down to the bottom third of the puzzle. All right, well, I have to look at columns first. Okay. This 7, 9 still isn't resolved yet. These two are only missing 2 digits, 5 and 6, and thanks to this 5, I know the order. This column here looks like it's only missing 3 and 8. Thanks to this 3, I know that order. Now, this row is missing 2 and 4. Thanks to this 4, I know how to write those in. Okay, this column is only missing an 8. This column is only missing a 9. So this box is down to 1 or 6. Thanks to this 1 and this 6, I actually know the order. Okay, that 9 finally sorts out that 7, 9. And now I'm just finishing it off. This is only missing 3. This is missing 8. This column is missing 7.